Dear students and teachers, welcome back to the video series on Science Passing Package with continuation. What is the function of placenta during pregnancy? The placenta has two main functions during pregnancy, that is, the embryo gets nutrition from the mother's blood with the help of placenta. Next, the waste substances generated by embryo is removed through placenta. The embryo gets nutrition from the mother's blood with the help of placenta, and the waste substances generated by the embryo is removed through placenta. These are the two main functions of placenta during pregnancy. Next question. Define homologous series of carbon compounds. Give one example. A homologous series is a family of compounds which contain same functional group but have different chain length. Homologous series is a family of compounds which has same functional group but different chain length. Example, homologous series of alkane. The general formula of alkanes CnH2n plus 2, that is methane CH4, ethane C2H6, propane C3H8, butane C4H10. The series will continue with different chain length, but the successive members differ by CH2 unit. You can give similar examples by replacing one hydrogen atom by any functional group. Next question. What is reflex action and reflex arc? Reflex action is an automatic and immediate response to the external stimulus by the spinal cord independent of brain is called as reflex action. Automatic and immediate response to the stimulus by the spinal cord but independent of brain is called as reflex action. The pathway involved in the reflex action is called as reflex arc. The pathway involved in reflex action is receptor, sensory neuron, relay neuron, motor neuron, and finally the effector. The example for reflex action is that immediately you remove the hand when you touch a hot pan. Next question. Define refractive index of a medium. The refractive index n of a transparent medium. The refractive index of a transparent medium is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. That is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in medium, which is equal to C by V, where C is speed of light in vacuum, V is speed of light in medium. Refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in medium. Next question. Draw a neat label diagram of electric generator, which is a very important question from the unit, the magnetic effects of electric current.